Is it going?
I'm eating.
You're eating.
You got chocolate on your face.
Ooh-wee, what are we doing this week?
Okay. See, here's the problem. You can't look at it. You need this. But I already chipped off a corner of it. So
I won't look through that part. I got my own welding mask. Should I put it over the the phone?
You can if you want.
Probably
I'm
not
just
good.
testing this out, and this seems to be working great.
Okay.
So are you ready?
Yep. Will it hurt me?
See that?
I did not. Do it again. I saw that barely. I saw it barely. I didn't even see
That's
it.
why that one's so not as good as this one.
Stars and
This
stripes.
helmet's much, much better. Alright, so now switch me helmets. Because I'm used to this one, so I know what I'm looking at.
This is a sophisticated helmet. It's sweaty already.
It's hot. We're melting metal. It's not a cold activity.
How does this work?
So basically, what we're doing is this is just a giant transformer.
Mm-hmm.
And like on a battery, when you have direct current and you get things too close, they arc.
Mm-hmm.
We're using that arc to melt the metal as we go along. So there's a ground. So this is all one side of the battery. And then this wire sticks out the tip here is the other side of the battery. So I set it up however fast or slow I want, or however strong I want the electrical current to be. And then when I pull the trigger, and you can see it, all it does is feed that wire.
Mm.
And the wire, got a spark. The wire is all conductive, right? So the wire just completes the circuit. And then I keep feeding more wire into it.
Mm-hmm.
So when I want to do something, I get this all close, and I pull the trigger, and the wire completes the circuit. But right before where the wire touches the metal, it arcs. It creates a lightning bolt, spark, right, between the two.
Mm-hmm.
And that bolt vaporizes the copper or whatever you have in here, in the wire, and heats up the metal, because it's like a lightning bolt, right? It's just heating up the metal until it melts. And then this is a flux cord wire, so it's a wire with a flux for the metal going down the center of it. So, nothing, and I pull the trigger, and it's going to put out the wire and it's going to arc. Don't look at me, I'm an idiot!
Don't look at me, I'm an idiot. Yeah, that's definitely.
Okay, I'm going to go right here.
Okay.
See, this one's a lot harder to do.
Well, it definitely auto darkened. I was like, I can see, and then I couldn't see anymore.
Yeah, but you can see the dot where it's melting, right?
Yeah, I can. Should I do it through the phone so the phone can see?
Sure.
Okay. Yep. So that's what we see when we're welding. Okay. Here, I'll let you have the good welding mask.
That's all right. I just wanted to test it out because my welding is horrible. I don't want you to witness that to everybody.
Your welding's horrible. Well, it makes sense. You just got it.
I've never done it before.
You've never done it before. It's a new experience.
Okay.
It's smoky. Alright. Let's see what we've done so far, though. Because I haven't yet. Ah! What?
So smoke coming out the back?
Yeah.
Because I got it out of it.
So these are all spot welds, yeah?
No, these are all crappy welds. I prefer it if you didn't show everybody.
Well, it's a learning process. It's a learning process.
Mm-hmm. So here's my thing. Every time I watch a YouTube video, I see people welding. They're like, oh, I'm so crappy at welding. And then they grind it down and it looks great. This one's going to look great once I grind it down. And all that back there, it's going to look great once I grind it all back down. In the middle there, I got to work on that a little bit more now that I can actually see what the hell I'm doing. And then it will look great.
But in the meantime...
In the meantime, I've ordered up more spool, more wire for welding.
Okay.
And then I will take off these parts.
Oh, goodness.
I need this piece off of here. And we need to order up new seat mount piece parts.
Okay.
And we gotta figure out how to weld those in.
So, these floor plans support weight?
Yes.
If you were to stand on them, would it support it?
Yeah.
Do you want to test it?
No.